Every time that I think to myself, not good enough for life. Will I pass away one day? I hope I know it's very beautiful, but I say I'm difficult to see. So many times you were so many things I can't explain. My mind is spinning in circles like a little toy train. I've been thinking I can't be the same. Oh, 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 oh. I've been thinking so long, but I can't remember. Why can't I remember anything? I tried so many times to be myself for once. So, oh, 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 oh. I tried so many times before. Why can't I be myself anymore? I try to be myself, but it doesn't work anymore. Oh, 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 yeah. Every now and then I think I'm not good enough. Oh, every day I'm feeling like everyone's judging me the wrong way. Why can't I be myself? I'm trying to be great. All the demons inside are keeping me away. Don't take, don't go down. Believe in yourself, no more down. In the morning you wake up, be new, and you'll be okay. Yeah, yeah. Oh, oh, you'll be okay. I've tried so many times before, I've tried so many more. Why can't I be myself anymore? Oh, 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 oh. I'm trying to be myself for so many long years. And now I know